Retirement is not the end, it's a new beginning. If you're looking to supplement your income, gain financial independence, or simply stay engaged, starting a digital income journey can be your best move. Here's how you can begin. Shift your mindset. Embrace the digital economy. The internet offers limitless opportunities, and it's never too late to learn new skills and start earning online. Identify your strengths and interests. What do you love? Teaching, writing, consulting, or selling? Your skills and passions can be turned into a profitable online venture. Choose a digital business model. Consider options such as affiliate marketing, online courses or coaching, e-commerce, dropshipping, print on demand, blogging, or YouTube monetization. Learn the basics of online business. You don't need to be tech-savvy, but understanding digital marketing, social media, and passive income models will set you up for success. Start small, but start now. You don't need a huge investment. Begin with a simple blog, YouTube channel, or an affiliate marketing website. Progress comes with action. Build your online presence. Set up a website, create social media profiles, and start engaging with your target audience. Consistency is key. Create a monetization plan. How will you earn? Ad revenue, memberships, sponsored content, or product sales. Decide on your income streams. Automate and scale. Use tools to automate posting, email marketing, and sales processes. This allows you to work smarter, not harder. Stay motivated and adapt. The digital landscape changes fast. Keep learning, adjust your strategies, and stay consistent. Enjoy the freedom. The goal is financial freedom and time flexibility. Once your digital income grows, you'll have more time to travel, enjoy family, and live life on your terms. Take action today. Your retirement can be the most rewarding chapter of your life. Start your digital income journey now and take control of your future. Visit my website in the description to get the proven step-by-step blueprint for your financial freedom.